Hello friends, my name is Anu Mathur and I welcome you to my channel Anu's English channel. Friends, in today's video I am going to talk about how you can start your English journey. If you are a beginner and you also want to speak English language, so what is the step you have to take in the beginning of this journey? How can you start this journey? Friends, I'm 100% sure that this video is going to help you a lot in order to start your English journey, in order to learn English language. Because in today's video, I will share my own experience how I learned this language. Since I am a homemaker, but I speak English very effectively. I know that I'm not very perfect, but I have that kind of capability that I can express my ideas and thoughts to anyone with whom I am interacting. So friends, definitely I will help you, and please watch this video very attentively. Okay, I think if you skip the video, so you will not understand. So you have to watch this video very attentively, and you have to listen my speech, my sentences, my words very carefully, so that you could understand very well. Okay friends, so without getting any delay, let's start the video. Friends, you know what, when I was a complete beginner, I knew English. Since everybody knows English, because English is a subject in our syllabus, right? We all have been learning English just like a subject since our childhood days. We just write English, okay? We write English, we read English, and we sit in the examination hall. We appear in the examination hall, and we pass our exam, okay? We get good marks, but we don't know how to speak English. We understand English very well, and it is true, because whenever we are reading any lesson, we easily understand what we explain in Hindi. What is the explanation of the passage, we understand very well, but we cannot speak that thing in our own sentences. We feel like very trouble, we feel it very difficult in order to speak. So how we can speak the same thing which we read? Friends, what things I started doing, you know what friends, whatever I spoke earlier, I spoke in English. I tried to speak in English, even I didn't know every word of Hindi in English. I did not know every word. I was not so much familiar towards English language that I knew all the words and sentences in English. No, I faced too much difficulty while learning this language in the beginning. So what things I did? I used survival method. Means I started speaking sentences, and the word which I did not know what is the English, I just spoke in Hindi, and after some time I just searched that particular word and I knew what is the English, and that's how I learned so many new words, so many vocabs. First of all, I commanded over vocabs, because friends, you know what, in order to speak a new language, you feel this kind of problem, like you will not have enough vocab to speak, and vocab is the root of English language. Vocab is the foundation of English language. If you know vocabs, if you have enough vocabs, so you will never feel any kind of difficulty in order to conversation. You can easily converse to anyone. So you have to keep enough vocabs in your mind. And how will you keep vocabs? If you think that you will take a dictionary, or if you go to Google and you learn 100 vocabs, 200 vocabs. So those vocabs are not going to help you in the conversation. Definitely at the moment you will forget all those vocabs. So friends, you must have keep enough vocab in your mind, because from my point of view, if you have vocabs, so you will talk very effectively. This thing I felt when in the beginning I talked in English and I had not enough vocab, so I got stuck. I was not so much confidence while speaking. But nowadays I can say that if I take a topic, so I speak very randomly, very effectively. I never feel any kind of stuck or any kind of hesitation, because you know what, friend, when you will stuck, if you have no enough vocab, so you will stuck. If you have no confidence, so you will stuck. So to learn English language, to start your English journey, first focus to the vocab. Okay, just use survival method. All the words, whatever you are speaking, try to speak first of all to, if you really want to speak English language, if you really want to start your English journey, so first of all create a habit of speaking English words in place of Hindi words. If you are in the habit of speaking kursi, so start speaking chair. Okay, if you are in the habit of speaking pankha, so start speaking fan. If you are in the habit of speaking mage, so start speaking table. So there are so many things you are surrounded with, and you can replace those words in English. So inculcate this habit very first, because this habit is going to help you a lot in the beginning. So friend, once you create this habit of speaking English words in your daily routine, so you will be habituated to speaking English word automatically. This thing I have observed, this thing I have experienced. Now automatically I speak English words. Okay, and after that you speak English sentence. Okay, so you should inculcate the habit of reading a small story book. Okay, and you should simultaneously inculcate the habit of listening a small audio storybook, because in the beginning if you think that you will take any book and you will read and you will understand, so it will never happen. Just start reading from a very small storybook, and whenever you are reading a storybook, read aloud, so that you could also listen whatever you are reading. And if you are reading loudly, so your vocal cord will also work, and you will feel like confidence while reading. So reading really helps a lot in terms of starting your English journey. You must read one passage every day. Don't read whole story at a time, just read only one passage. Okay, but again and again 5 to 6 times, so that you could understand what is the sentence used in the story, which type of words are used in the story. Okay, as you know that there are so many sentences like optative, imperative, assertive, interrogative, negative. There are so many sentences. So you will analyze that what sentence is used. Okay, and you think that if you read any book, so you will start speaking. No, you have to simultaneously listen audio storybook, because listening impacts a lot. You know very well that how you learned your mother tongue. You just listened, you observed, and you started speaking. Same happens with English language. The more you listen, the more you learn very easily and very easily. Okay, so inculcate this habit also. Read one story per day, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, and same story again and again, and until and unless you understand the concept. So in the beginning you have to do these 3 things. Okay, per day. Just try to speak all the words in English, replace those words in English. Okay, survival method. And you have to read per day one passage. of any English storybook, okay, according your choice, and you have to listen any storybook according your choice, and this habit will help you a lot in order to start this English journey, because I have also done this thing, okay friend. And you have to believe yourself. In the beginning I was not so much confident while speaking, but I had confidence. I knew that if I practice regularly, so on the basis of regular practice, on the basis of daily practice, one day I will speak in English. And today you can see that I am speaking in English. I am a homemaker, but I am speaking in English. How it is possible? Because I practiced a lot per day. I never missed even a single day. I practiced a lot every day, not whole day, every day 10 to 15 minutes. I never devoted like 1 hour, 2 hour. I devoted only 10 minutes, 20 minutes, but regularly. And you know what friends, consistency plays very important role in order to learn anything. If you want to achieve anything, if you want to gain anything, if you want to accomplish anything, so you have to do regular practice, because on the basis of regular practice you will definitely achieve your goal. So you have to practice a lot per day, okay. And believe in yourself, like I will, okay friends. So I think this video is going to help you a lot if you really do this kind of activity. So definitely you can speak English very effectively and very confidently, and you can also start your English journey. So friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.